Today we're taking a look at the 2015 WRX STi Launch Edition. First, we're going to take a walk around the exterior, take a look inside the interior, and then we're going to take it for a test drive. During the release of this vehicle, the MSRP was around $38,000. Today, if you're lucky, you may find one for around $32,000. This is a performance vehicle. It was never meant to be a luxury vehicle. Don't expect it to be so comfortable. The whole suspension was reworked. It has more room and better visibility. Some people think that it's not as aggressive as it should be, but it still has that rally car look. In my opinion, it's a very clean, aggressive sedan that has character and personality. The rally blue color works perfectly with its golden forged wheels. Comes with a rear diffuser, 2.5-liter boxer engine that outputs 305 horsepower and outputs 290 pounds-feet of torque. As you can see, the housing on the lights was changed. I love the styling of this front grille. It's got this really nice gloss black here, famous hood scoop, forged BBS wheels, STI Brembo brakes, flare wide body fender look, this huge wing. The tail light housing works really well with the rear diffuser. If you find one, you'll be lucky because only 1,000 of these were made. Okay, first things we'll notice going right inside is this nice blue leather trim. We'll find this really nice red stitching on the steering wheel. Push to start, carbon fiber accents on the dashboard, STI emblem and 6-speed manual, driving mode controls, carbon fiber and another STI emblem on the steering wheel, heated seats. It comes with manual seats, but it's definitely sporty and roomy and maybe even for the whole family. Now let's take it for a drive and see what it's like. Right now, I'm really loving the visibility. As you can see, the wing in the back extends a little higher than normal, so your visibility is not compromised. The bucket seats feel really comfortable. The shifter is really easy to work with. Now, if I can tell you anything about the way this car drives, it's how amazing the suspension is. Although it's a little bit stiff, it's actually really responsive, and I can feel how the car will hug the road. What I really like is that nice whistle sound every time that I do the shift. Pay attention and listen to that. Hear that engine? It sounds so amazing. The car drives really nice. I love how it handles the road. It's one of my favorite parts about this car. It's really fun to drive. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and have some fun with this car. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next